Hello and welcome to WineDirect Essentials. In this video, we're going to be talking all about creating products in the admin panel. Now, bear in mind, your site will look different than mine as I'm going to be working in a sandbox environment. So you'll see potentially additional products that you would not otherwise have access to. If you ever have any questions, please feel free to reach out to us at training@winedirect.com. Let's get right into building a product in the admin panel. To build a product in the admin panel, first thing we need to do is navigate to our main tab Store, followed by our sub-tab Products. This will direct you to the new UI or user interface for our products. To create a new product in this screen, we're going to select the magenta button in the upper right-hand corner with the plus sign, and that's going to create a new product. When creating a new product, a couple of steps that you're going to need to take first are giving that product a name and potentially a POS name. The product name here is a name that will be displayed on the website as well as the product name within any of the reports that you pull. The POS name is the name that will display in the POS. Now you only get about 14 characters here that will display well in the POS. So I recommend that you come up with something that will be consistent and scalable for all of your POS based products or any of the products that you're going to be displaying through your POS. We also have the ability to add a subtitle. Oftentimes this subtitle can be the size of the bottle or some additional information about the product. Simply click on the add subtitle and this will pop out. Now this is where you might see something different in my system than what you have in yours. The majority of you will have wine bottle, wine, and product bundle. Let's just really quickly kind of go through what each one of these are. A wine bottle is pretty self-explanatory. It is a bottle of wine. A wine itself is a product that is not necessarily a wine bottle, but a wine tasting or some sort of wine affiliated product that you want taxed at a wine rate. Beer or spirit are going to work exactly like the wine bottle. It is an actual bottle of beer or an actual bottle of spirits. Products are your non-wine, non-spirit or beer, as well as product bundles are your non-wine, non-spirit or beer. Now, these are taxed at a product rate in our system. Event tickets are a little bit different than products. However, it is not something that you would want to build as a wine. Gift cards, if you want to operate gift cards in your system, and credits, if you're operating credits in your system. The next thing we want to do is make sure that we're uploading an image. You can see here that the image is 350 pixels by 450 pixels. If you need to make any adjustments to this, I highly recommend reaching out to one of our certified designers, but default wise, you're looking at a tall versus wide image. You'll upload that image simply by selecting the upload button and interacting with your default drive. Once you have done that, make this product available online by selecting the display on website. You can add a teaser about this product. You can add a further description to that product, which will be displayed if somebody selects on the product and not just adds it to cart, but looks at the product informational page. Once you've selected to add it to a website, you need to define where on the website you would like it displayed. The category seen here is also referred to as the pages of your website. So in this case, we would like this particular bottle displayed on your red wines page or your merchandise page, whatever have it be. That'll be the category that you define here. As you scroll down, you'll see that we have brands, if you have multiple brands on your site, as well as departments. Departments are going to relate not just to how you segment your products, but also they make it easier for you to build out promos and such as you build out into the system. So that's a big important one. You do need to give your product a SKU. The SKU is changeable up until you have sold the product once, in which case the SKU will be hard-coded. That product that you sold will always have that SKU associated with it. So it's important that you define a system for your SKUs before you start building out your products. The system does require weight. You can add a retail and sales price. For the retail price is the price that you'll be displaying on the website. If you want to show a strike through of that retail price, add a sales price, and that will be the price displayed. Quick piece of information, the sales price is affectable by a discount. So if you do add a sales price, you might want to exempt that product from promos just to make sure that you're not offering any additional discounts off of that sales price. You can exempt it from taxation or exempt it from shipping. Highly recommend that when you're talking about your event tickets or things like tastings. The only other thing that you're required to do before finalizing the product is to give that product a bottle size. In this case, we're going to go ahead and select 750, and then we're going to hit our save. And you've created your first product. See you in the next video.